every time our trucks come out here, you notice they get shut off really quick. That is because of this little button right here in this radio. It's called an RII. It's a remote ignition interrupter. That means with the power of this remote control here, we can shut our monster trucks off at any moment's notice. And if they can't shut off when we shut them off with the remote, they can't run the race. So, are you fans ready? How many of you think your winner's going to be Scarlet Bandits? Who thinks your winner's going to be Bounty Hunter? All right, we're going to fire up and go racing. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner coming to the championship race is Bounty Hunter! All right, real quick here.